Equity options can feel like a complex puzzle, but at their core, they are just contracts that give you a choice. Let us simplify them. An option is a financial contract. It gives the holder the right to buy or sell shares at a set price within a specific time frame. One important rule of thumb is that a single option contract typically controls 100 shares of the underlying stock. That is why prices are multiplied by 100. There are two types of options. Calls give you the right to buy, while puts give you the right to sell. Think of them as bets on direction. Owning a stock is very different from holding an option. Stocks offer long-term ownership, while options are time-sensitive contracts that can expire worthless. Options can be used to hedge risk or to speculate. Because of leverage, they often carry a much higher risk profile than simply owning the underlying stock. Remember that options are tools for strategy. They require a deep understanding of time decay and volatility before you ever risk real capital. If this helped demystify options, consider subscribing for more finance basics. Remember to do your own research before trading. See you next time.